Today, I'm going to show you how to create body lash fan for voluminous lash extensions. If you've been wanting to perfect your fan making technique, you are in the right place. Mastering this step is key to achieving fuller, more voluminous lash length. I'm Monica from CIULA Lash and I'm excited to guide you through this process. Let's get started.
I will begin by creating a 4D fan. Let's check the lash base. I press it down slightly to prepare the fan. Next, I gently place the lashes in center to shape the fan. When the base is stable, I press it lightly to secure it. I use the tip of my tweezer to shape the lashes, keeping the fan intact. This helps the lashes stay together, making the base narrower. When I lift the fans, the base stays tight and small. Then I compress the base with the tweezers to secure it, holding it briefly to ensure the fan maintains its perfect shape. Even after lifting, the fan stays well formed with a neat and small base. Next, I dip the fan into lash adhesive, then I check the exact placement onto the natural lash before applying the fan. I carefully place tensions onto the natural lash, ensuring a secure attachment. Holding a fan in place for a moment, ensure the glue bonds properly. For beginners, hand movement might be slower, affecting the fan placement speed. If isolation takes too long, the adhesive may start drying. Spending 1 to 3 seconds searching for the right lash can cause delays, reduce retentions, and making the tensions less durable. To improve retentions, dip the fan in adhesive, then quickly isolate and apply. This keeps the glue fresh for a stronger bond. Hold the tensions for a second to ensure it sticks properly. When applying to a real client, the glue bonds faster than on protected lashes. On a mannequin, the lashes may be slippery, making the fan placement harder. To prevent slipping, hold the fan for a second before releasing it.
And that's a wrap on body lash fan technique. Keep practicing and soon you'll be creating the perfect volume lashes with ease. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more lash tips. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.